Dear students, today we are going to revise our articles and leave application. So first of all, we'll look at the format of article. See, format of an article includes title, that means the heading of the article. Then the writer name is to be mentioned, that means if you are writing the article, you have to mention your name. And then is body of the article. Body of the article means you have to give the explanation of that particular article on which you are writing. That include the introduction of that object. Then you have to explain some of the ideas of that particular object, and then you have to conclude, and in that conclusion part you can add the importance of that object. In those articles itself, we have done a few things. That is, the very first, we have done the pen article, in which I explained you that you have to define a pen, then you have to tell the quality of the pen, then what are the uses of that pen, and then we about the fan, in which season, in what different types and colors fans are available. Then is your article on book we wrote. So article on book, we wrote about the different kinds of books. We introduced the article as the book is a true friend of a person. Then different kinds of books, uses of books, and the main important that books are the main source of information throughout the world. Then we talk about the applications for leave, or we can say the leave applications. Now, for this, I have already told you that these are the formal letters which are written to the higher authorities. So, as a student, whenever you want to leave for any of the purpose, then you have to write an application. First of all, I introduced you the format of an application. That is, first of all, you have to write the designation of the addressee. That means you have to write, as a student you have to write to your school principal, so that the principal, then you have to write the name and address of the addressee. That means the school address must be there, then date, and then salutation. In salutation, I told you that you have to write respected sir. Then you have to write the subject for which you people are taking the leave. So you can say that application for sick leave, application for urgent work of leave, or application for half day leave, or application for marriage leave. Then you have to write the content. The reason here you have to write why you want to have the leave. Then you have to subscription, you have to give the subscription. Then you have to write your name, the detail of yourself. The very first application was the sick leave application, in which you wrote your school address, school principal, date you wrote, then respected sir, and then subject you mention. Then you told about yourself that you are a student of class 6th, you want and leave, why, the reason you have given. The ending of the application you have done with thanking you, yours obediently, name, class, and section. Then another application was your application for urgent piece of work or urgent work leave. So in this, again the same format was there. You have written your subject, then you introduce that you have to go somewhere with your parents, so that's why you want to have a leave application, or you want to go some other town or some other city, or any urgent work is there at your home, you want to go with your parents, that's why you want the leave. Another application was for marriage leave. In that you just gave the information to your principal that you are having a marriage function in your family and your whole family members are going there, you also want to go there. You have to mention the particular dates to which you people want to have leave, and then again you have to end your letter. The last application which I ask you to write, that is your application for half day leave. In that I explain you that sometime it happens that when you come to school, in between the school hours there is an urgent work and you have to leave the school with your family members or your relatives, and then you have to write an application. So for that also any reason can be there. You want to visit a doctor with your parents or your relatives, you want to attend a function with your parents, for that you want half day leave. So for that also the same thing, the same format was to be followed, subject was to be followed, and the reason also you have to be followed. Then in same manner itself you have to end your letters. I hope the letters, the leave application letters, the formal letters and the articles format is clear to you people, and you will do your studies properly. Thank you.